So, Cary, do you agree with the Health Secretary?
Well, to be honest with you, Nana, I'm for vaccines like you are. I think we need them, absolutely. We have to incentivize people to take them. I'm very much for vaccine passports because that's a way of doing it. So if you go to any event, big event, like a football match or whatever else, you should be showing your vaccine passport. That's a way of incentivizing people and thinking of various ways of doing it, even through media, and doing it that way too, by saying, hey, look it's not just about your personal freedom. It's about the freedom of your grandparents. It's about your kids, about your relatives and friends and neighbors. And we have to do everything to protect everybody. It's just not about you and what you think is your personal freedom. On the other hand, I'm not necessarily for mandatory vaccines, except for healthcare workers, social care workers, and people where other people are at risk. I think that's important because that should be part of your job. You're part of your job as a nurse, as a social care worker, is to look after the health and well-being of the people you're looking after. And where that's the case, I think that's part and parcel of your job. And so I think obviously I think it's a part of a job, and therefore that should be mandatory. For the general public, I'm not really in favor of that, but I'm in favor of ensuring that if you decide you don't want to have a vaccine and that has implications for other people, where there are a large number of people going to events and situations, you should not be allowed to go in unless you take a vaccine. And that's where I stand.